Welcome once again. Room check. Hi guys, welcome once again to another episode of Room Check. We're at the Brac. We're at the Carib Sands Resort, Beach Resort, located in Cayman Brac. Now in my series of Room Check, I go around and check the rooms and give you my little thought on it. My thoughts, I should say. Now I'm gonna start with the living area. So the resort has sometimes 1, 2, 3 rooms within the area. Now where I'm at, it's 2 rooms in this apartment here. So, well, this is the main area where you have the television right here. It's about a 60-inch television. We have the settee there. Here where you have is this a place where you can put your stuffs here. Okay. Now moving around, beautiful photographs. This is on the outside, so when you watch my full tour of the Cayman Brac, you will see it. Here is the bluff, right? You can move around where we have our cupboards with the plates in them. Utensils. This is the dishwasher, sink, nice, and the ceiling fan over here. Here we have the stove, microwave, and of course the cupboard again. So many of them. So, and this here is the surface stove. We have the knife, heat, the water heater like the kettle, electric kettle, tin opener. We have here the toaster, coffee maker, blender, and we have the fridge, which is the freezer and the refrigerator, and baking soda. Now people use baking soda to keep the scent out of the area. Here we have our painting. This here is where you have the washer and the dryer. It gives a message here. Empty tin before, after every use. Laundry detergent must be HE efficient. And this is what they're talking about. Where's the HE? Right here. I really and truly don't remember what the HE stand for, but, and then we move further. Here is one of the restroom. And that's the next room over there. That's someone else staying there. And the restroom for here is this side, which is the same for the door there. Now here we have our shower. The shower here, we have the cup here. This here you turn it on, so you know red is hot, blue is cold. Now you have to pull this on at the bottom here, which is a little bit difficult for me. And we have also the window. So yeah, right, I was saying it's a little bit tedious to get the water down. So when you pull this down, the water here runs out. We'll go to the toilet, beautiful toilet there, and the mirrors with the lights above. Let me turn it on for you to see. There we go. And we have a light here for the shower. Now you can open the door from here. This is what I was trying to open from there. And the lighting in here is the same as well. Right. Now we have, this is when you have the shampoo and the shower gel. And where you can put your stuff, the utensils. You have also the towels. Let us move on to the room. So we have the ceiling fan above, and this is what I like. The light above. Most hotels I go don't have the lights above, and I always complain about it. So this is one of them that I can really like. And above me, where you have the painting here, which is a guy making a fishing net. And here's a fish. Don't remember what type of fish this is. It's like a grouper. If it's not, someone let me know. For this window here, you can look outside. You have a chest of drawer. Here, it's important here, is when the door is open, it don't damage the wall and it does not slam. There it is. Good. So move around. Painting here. And lamp. There we go. Not that bright. And inside of our, and we have our king size bed. So, all in all, it's a very good room. The resort, I am truly happy with it. So this is Duke Creek once more from Room Check. Peace out.